So, hello, this is Sherrod Miller, and I am going to share with you what I eventually landed up after playing. So I originally wanted to do something with Pac-Man and his ghost, but apparently I don't know about how to get the jagged edge. So let's just start. I ended up actually on more of like a rocket, as you can see from those instructions, because from those two divs. So let's just do body, background color, black. Just so the rocket is more apparent. Now we just do a class for shuttle. And the shuttle, let's move on to the Pac-Man because that one's more in my memory right now. The Pac-Man wing, because that's what it eventually ended up being. Okay, so the Pac-Man, it was really simple. You start by doing the width of 0. That way, and I can't spell today. And the height of 0px. And then I start with the border of right of 100 pixels solid, and we'll go with yellow for now because I'm just gonna make the original Pac-Man. And we'll copy that. See. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Border left. Border top. Border bottom. Okay, there's my shape. Now I'm just going to do this one, transparent. Okay. I found it. I just had a typo right here. Now I change this to transparent. And there we go. Now I'm just gonna round it out. Border, bottom, radius. And just to be safe, we'll go with the same 60 pixels. Let's just go ahead and make it big. Go big or go home, right? And we can copy these. Border bottom left, radius, because we're working with the circle. Border bottom right, radius, because that's circle still. And we'll do border top, right, and a border top, left, radius. And voila. So there's our Pac-Man. And I think this was too generic, too easy, because there really is some code you can find on it. So I went ahead and played. So I found that starting with this, so I ended up with a shuttle. So we're going to work on the shuttle after I turn my Pac-Man. Transform. And we've got a rotate of 90 degrees. And it looks a little bit like a wing. It could be if it put in the right spot. So let's just move this for now out to somewhere let's just get it out of the way. Okay. So now we're going to focus on the shuttle. And I'm just going to make the position for the shuttle absolute. And we are going to start with the width. I actually ended up kind of going off of what the heart went shapes were. But I played around. And I want a background of cyan. Background color, cyan. There it is. Now I just need to round it up a little bit. So 50 pixels, 50 pixels, and 0, 0 on the edge to give it flat. And for the bottom, I kind of want to give it some, make it not so, make it look more like a lipstick container. So let's do 60 pixels, solid, transparent. And look at that. Now we're going to play with the actual location a little bit. I'm going to change the colors on this one to orange. Oh, that was the wrong one. That one's going to be yellow for sure. A little bit of a Worms Armageddon going on there. Orange. And orange. And it looks a little bit like a flame, give or take a couple. And let's see. So now let's get our shuttle into the right position. And I'm going to do a top of 50 pixels because I used the absolute position, a margin of 3%. I've tested these numbers. And that should take care of that one. I'm also going to put a display flex on my body, though it really doesn't make any difference in this because I'm using absolute positioning. And now I'm going to move my flame. This one's going to take a little more tweaking. Let's do bottom of 2 pixels. Get rid of my margin. I just wanted it out of the way. And voila! And there's my rocket. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.